Welcome to our guide on leveraging Excel's powerful PMT function. Today, we'll explore 3 practical ways this financial tool can simplify complex calculations. The PMT function calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and a constant interest rate. It's an essential tool for anyone dealing with debt or financing. Our first use case is calculating the monthly payment on an auto loan. This is perhaps one of the most common applications for the PMT function. As a borrower, calculating this yourself gives you a significant advantage. You can verify your monthly payment and ensure the dealership isn't manipulating variables like term or rate to meet your desired monthly cost. To calculate the PMT, you need a few key variables: the rate, which is the interest rate per period; NPR, the total number of payment periods; PV, the present value or the amount financed; the FV, future value of the loan, is 0 as it will be paid off, and type of payment is set to 0, the standard loan. For our example of a 1.2% annual interest rate, the rate variable is calculated as the annual rate divided by 12, since payments are monthly. So that's 0.012 divided by 12. NPR represents the total number of payments. For a standard 5-year auto loan, this would be 60 months. PV is the present value of the loan, essentially the amount financed. In our car example, we'll use $29,000. The last 2 optional variables are FV, the future value, which is 0 since the loan will be paid off, and type, which is 0 for a standard loan where payments are due at the end of the period. Once you input these values into the PMT function, Excel calculates your monthly payment. For this example, the resulting monthly payment is $498.22. Similarly, calculate your mortgage payment on your mortgage loan. Variables: rate equals 0.0595/12, or 5.95% divided by 12 to calculate the interest rate per month. NPR equals 30 years. At 12 monthly payments equals 360. PV equals $400,000, house price. FV equals 0, future value of loan when paid off. Type equals 0. Your monthly mortgage payment is $2,385.36. Calculate the monthly investment payment needed to reach your investment goal. Variables: rate, 0.15/12, 15% annual rate adjusted to monthly interest rate. NPER, or number of periods, is 180 months. PV equals 0. You are starting, so you have 0 present value. FV equals your target future value is $1 million. Type equals 1, investment payment is made at the beginning of the period. Your monthly investment is $1,477.40. Thank you for joining us to learn about Excel's PMT function. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more finance tips.